Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to solve question 19 of the JAM 2022 chemistry paper, which was based on chemical bonding. That is, we have to predict the geometries of the two ions that they have given. One is BH2 plus, another is NH2 plus, based on VSEPR theory. What is VSEPR? Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So these are the options. First is both are trigonal planar. BH2 plus is linear. NH2 plus is trigonal planar. BH2 plus is trigonal planar. NH2 plus is linear. Both are linear. Okay, so let's get started. What is the formula that we have to use? There is a formula that we have to use to find out the hybridization. We have to predict the geometry. For finding out the geometry, we have to first find out what? We have to first find out the hybridization. So what is the formula for finding out hybridization in inorganic species? It is half into number of valence electrons of the central atom, number of valence electrons of the central atom. What is central atom? The atom which is present in less number. Okay, central atom is less in number as compared to other atoms. That we will see how to identify the central atom. Valence electron of central atom plus number of hydrogens plus number of halogens. X is halogen. What is halogen? Group 17 element, fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay, plus if there are any negative charges that are present. If the charge is -1, that means one electron is added. That is why we are doing plus negative charge. Okay, whenever electron is added, we give a negative charge. So I'm adding a plus sign, and minus positive charges. If there is one positive charge, there will be -1. Now here, why there is minus sign? When do we get a positive charge? That is, we get a cation or positive charge when we remove an electron. So that is why I am adding a negative sign. So this is the formula that we have to use. Number of valence electron of central atom plus number of hydrogen plus number of halogens. These are also called as what? Monovalent atoms. That is, they attach to the central atom by single bonds, like this, H, or fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like this. Plus negative charges minus positive charges. And there is another formula. If we want to find out the shape, here we don't have to find out the shape. If I want to find out the shape, I must also know the lone pair. Okay, this formula, this is what? This is the formula for finding out the steric number. From the steric number, we can find out the hybridization. Okay, what is the formula for finding out the lone pair? Lone pair is steric number minus number of side atoms. Now what is side atom? The atoms apart from the central atom. There will be one central atom, and remaining whatever atoms are present, that is called as a side atom. Okay, so we have to find out the lone pair. We can use this formula. Now from the conclusion of this steric number, we can predict the hybridization. Suppose the answer comes out to be, the steric number is what? Here I'll write down the steric number. Steric number is 2. Then there will be two orbitals, that is 1s and 1p. So hybridization will be sp. What will be the shape? Shape is linear. Bond angle is 180 degrees. Okay, if the steric number is 3, then it will be 1s, total 3 orbitals, s and 2p. sp2 is trigonal planar. And what is the bond angle? 120 degree. This is the ideal case where there is no lone pair available. If it is 4, it will be 1s and 3p orbitals. This is what? Tetrahedral. Bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, or we can say 109.5 degrees. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and if it is 5, then what is the hybridization? Hybridization will be 5 orbitals, s, p, 3, d. Geometry is what? Trigonal bipyramidal, or TBP. And for 6, it is sp3, d2, total 6 orbitals, 1s, 3p, 2d. This is what? Octahedral. Okay, this much is enough. Now we can find out the geometry for the given species. What is given to us? BH2 plus and NH2 plus. So first let us find out for BH2 plus. Now first identify the central atom. Which is a central atom? The one that is less in number. So boron, there is one boron, two hydrogen, which is less, boron. So boron is a central atom. It belongs to which group? Group 13. So there are how many electrons? Valence electron, there will be 3. So half into valence electron is 3. Plus, are there any hydrogen? Yes, 2 hydrogen. Plus, are there any halogens? No, 0 halogen. Plus, are there any negative charges? No. Is there any positive charge? Yes, there is one positive charge. So we'll write -1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2. Okay, the answer is 2. 2 means hybridization is sp, that is 2 orbitals. What will be the geometry? Geometry is linear. Okay, similarly, we have to find out for the other one, that is what? NH2 plus. Okay, now nitrogen belongs to which group? Group 15. So how many valence electrons? 5. So half into, again here central atom is, nitrogen is less in number, hydrogen is more. So nitrogen is the central atom. Nitrogen has how many valence electron? 5. Plus how many hydrogen? 2. How many halogens? 0. How many negative charges? 0. How many positive charges? 1. So -1. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 means 3 orbitals, 1s, 2p. So sp2 hybridization, what will be the geometry? Trigonal planar. Okay, if I want to draw the geometry of both these molecules, how it will look? BH2 will be linear like this. And positive charge on boron atom. And what about the nitrogen? Here, if I want to find out the lone pair here, what will be the formula for lone pair? Steric number is 2. Side atom is also 2. Okay, boron was the central atom. There are 2 hydrogens other than central atom. So these are side atoms. 2 minus 2, 0. So 2, 0 lone pair. Now NH2 plus, if I want to find out the lone pair, steric number is 3. How many side atom? 2. So here there will be one lone pair. So what will be the geometry? Nitrogen, there is one lone pair. Okay, and then there will be 2 hydrogens and a positive charge like this. So this will be the geometry is trigonal planar. If I want to find out the shape, here there is no lone pair, so shape is also linear. Okay, for finding out the shape, what do we consider? We consider lone pair. We take lone pair into consideration. Now nitrogen, here what will be the shape? Geometry is trigonal planar, but shape will be, you can see it is what? It is a bent shape. Okay, you can say angular or bent. Okay, so BH2 is linear, NH2 plus is bent. So linear and trigonal planar. That is a geometry. So the correct answer is what? Correct answer is option B. So here we come to the end of this video. I hope you have understood how to find out the geometry as well as the lone pair using the formula. Thank you.